Hey everyone, welcome back to Cybrosys. In this video, I'll show you the complete purchase workflow in Odoo Community from creating an RFQ to validating the vendor bill. If you're new to Odoo, this is one of the most important process to understand. So the very first step is to create RFQ or the request for quotation. Before that, let's go to the purchase. This is the purchase. In sales, it was quotation, then the sale order. Here it is the RFQ confirmed to a purchase order. It's just the opposite, okay? So very first step is to create an RFQ. So let's start by creating a request for quotation, which can also be called as RFQ. Simply click on new, and this is where you ask your vendor for pricing. Okay, you can select your vendor from here. I'm adding the vendor, and then you can select the price, the product, the quantity. So let this be the product, and white, both I'm taking, okay, 5 quantity of both, and I'm confirming it. So here you can specify the unit price. Okay, so for both, let the price be the same. Okay, and yeah, here I have mentioned the quantity, the unit price, and the total amount is come already, as you can see. And once everything is done, what you have to do is you have to save it. So this is saved. The basic thing is done right now. Next step is to, send RFQ to the vendor. So you can see send RFQ. Click on send RFQ over there. So what happens is that this is the mail that will be sent to the vendor. Okay, so I'm clicking on send. This is the preview of the mail that will be sent to the vendor. Like you can send the RFQ directly from Odoo via mail, and this keeps everything tracked inside the system. So that's the very next step. And after everything is, done and, sorted, what you have to do is you have to confirm the order. You can see the confirm order button is active right now. So click on confirm order, which makes your, RFQ into a purchase order. So that is done. Okay. So once the vendor confirms everything, you have to convert the RFQ into a purchase order by clicking the confirm order as we did it. So now it becomes an official purchase document. Next step is to receive the products. On the screen, you can see the button called receive. So what you have to do is, like in the next step, you have to receive the products in your inventory. So click on receive. So you have to check the quantities and, then you have to validate it. So the quantities and all is given over here. Everything is okay. The demand and the demand and the received is the same. Okay, so once the quantities are checked, you can validate it. And then what happens? You will get a receipt. Okay, so go back to the purchase, and here the receipt can be seen. Click on the receipt. So after you validate it, the stock will be updated automatically. Okay, if the on-hand quantity was 0, how much you buy, that much will be, updated automatically to the corresponding product that we bought. Now, if you go back to the purchase, you can see the receipt there. So, we have already, validated the receipt, right? So next step is to create the bill. Okay, so you can see instead of creating the bill, you can see an upload bill as well as bill matching. So you can choose the bill matching, and from here you can choose the bills. So we have 2 over here for different products. So I'm clicking on add to purchase order. So you have to select the vendor bill lines to add on to the purchase order. I'm just adding this to the purchase order that we've created right now. So I'm adding down payment, and that's how you do it. Like you can do the bill matching from here, and the vendor will be created here. Like you can add the lines, take the lines and add it to the purchase order. So this is the bill that we have created right now. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on pay. Then you can do the payment over here and complete the procedure, so it becomes paid. So bill matching is something which we have to talk about. I'll talk about it in another video in detail. Okay, so what happens is that Odoo automatically fetches details from the purchase order, which will save a lot of your time. Then, as you can see, as we've done, the payment is done. Like simply click on pay and the payment will be done, and it shows the pay ribbon, as you can see. Okay. So now the entire process from RFQ to payment is actually completed. And you have the option, which is the reporting, where you can track the purchase. So it actually gives you the purchase analysis for a given time period. So just by looking at this report, you'll get to know about how the performance of all the things are. You can analyze the vendor performance, the spending, and also the trends easily. So you can track everything. So that's how easily the purchase workflow goes, like create an RFQ, confirm it, send it, confirm it to a purchase order, then you can receive the product, create a bill, then what? Complete it with the payment. So that's the complete purchase workflow in Odoo community. If this helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more practical Odoo tutorials. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.